Welcome to the OnCore Enterprise Research System at the University of Buffalo. OnCore is supported by the Office of the Vice President for Research and Economic Development through the Offices of Clinical Research and Research Information Systems. How does OnCore support the Clinical Translational Science Institute? OnCore is a comprehensive management system that will support investigators, research staff, and administrators by giving them an organizational tool to advance the process of clinical research. The OnCore system will centralize documentation of research efforts by compiling data in order to analyze the university's progress and identify successes as well as where improvements can be made. This system manages the entire life cycle of the research project, from protocol creation to final project closeout. OnCore is jointly supported by staff from the Clinical Research Office and Research Information Systems. Mariya Cherneva serves as the OnCore CTMS Coordinator, and Marla Witkowski is the Campus Training Program Coordinator. What is the OnCore Enterprise Research System? OnCore is a clinical trial management system that has been purchased by the University of Buffalo to support research activities and compliance, which will allow for enhanced trial management. It includes robust reporting, enrollment tracking, subject management, and financial reconciliation. Who is the OnCore Enterprise Research System for? All health science research coordinators. OnCore offers robust reporting capabilities. OnCore has the capabilities to create and send reports based on study enrollment accrual, financial reconciliation, serious adverse events, etc. Please note that depending on how much information a study coordinator puts into OnCore, it will determine reporting capabilities for that study and department. Enrollment tracking is manageable with OnCore. Types of enrollment information that can be tracked in OnCore include enrollment date, research site, gender, age, ethnicity, race, zip code, and subject referral. A major component of OnCore is subject management. In OnCore, studies are categorized into two types of subject management: full subject administration and summary accrual. Registering a subject, assigning staff to a subject, managing eligibility and consents, accessing subject calendars, verifying subject visits, and recording serious adverse events are just some of the subject management capabilities that OnCore has. Please note, subject recruitment services and subject referral information are also components of OnCore. A large function of OnCore is financial reconciliation. OnCore has the ability to create and track invoices to study sponsors. Please note that invoices are created for a study once subject visits are entered on the subject calendar. How do I get started using OnCore? OnCore requires a two-part training: OnCore an Introduction and OnCore Subject Administration for full studies. There are no prerequisites required in order to register for OnCore an Introduction. You'll benefit by learning to log in and successfully navigate within the OnCore environment. Explore toolbars, menus, and consoles. Personalize the OnCore environment by bookmarking items of interest, and document the number of participants in a summary accrual study while recording demographic information. The prerequisite for OnCore Subject Administration for full studies is OnCore an Introduction. You'll benefit by learning about OnCore within several categories. Subject administration. Register a subject for a study protocol and place them on study. Manage a subject's consent and eligibility for a study. Assign staff to a subject. Record serious adverse events and subject deviations. Subject calendars and visit tracking. Access and review individualized subject calendars. Verify visits and enter visit details. Enter procedures performed during a visit. Reporting and searching. Perform advanced searches for subjects. Generate a report of planned visits for assigned subjects. And explore My Console, a personalized view of OnCore data relevant to an individual user. To register for OnCore training, please visit the section of the University of Buffalo website dedicated to the Office of the Vice President for Research and Economic Development. In that section, you will see a page dedicated to OnCore, and you will be able to click on the training link in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to register for courses and to see upcoming dates for training. Thank you for taking the time to learn about OnCore.